Consume these drinks for 15 days instead of normal regular water to lose weight and remove toxin from your body. Ingredients are thinly sliced beetroot, mint, ginger, cucumber, lemon and carrot with 1 spoon of chia seeds. First we will make lemon detox water. For that we need a jar. We will add 2 to 3 slices of lemon and add water, and we will keep it aside for 2 hours so that lemon will be able to infuse into water. Consume full day for fast result. Our next recipe is lemon ginger detox. For that add lemon followed by ginger followed by water and keep it aside for 2 hours and consume later. Cucumber, lemon and ginger detox water. For that take a jar, add lemon, ginger followed by cucumber followed by water and keep it aside for 2 hours. Make sure you keep it aside for 2 hours so that essence of all the vegetables are released into water. Now we will make lemon, ginger, cucumber and carrot detox water. For that add lemon, ginger, cucumber followed by carrot and keep it aside for 2 hours. Cucumber detox water. For that take a jar, add thinly sliced cucumber, add water and keep it aside for 2 hours. Cucumber ginger detox water. For that add thinly sliced cucumber followed by thinly sliced ginger, add water and keep it aside for 2 hours. Next is cucumber ginger mint detox. For this add ginger, cucumber and 5 to 6 leaves of mint and keep it aside for 2 hours. Ginger detox drink. For this take a jar, add 5 to 6 slices of ginger followed by water and keep it aside for 2 hours for consuming. Ginger and carrot detox water. For that add ginger followed by carrot and keep it aside for 2 hours. Lemon mint detox drink. For that take a jar, add lemon followed by 5 to 6 mint leaves, add water and keep it aside for 2 hours. Cucumber, mint and lemon detox water. Add lemon, mint, cucumber and add water and keep it aside for 2 hours. Followed by lemon chia seeds detox drink. First of all, soak chia seeds for 5 minutes. It will absorb water. Once chia seeds are completely swollen, add 2-3 slices of lemon and keep it aside for 2 hours for consuming later. Now we will make cucumber mint detox drink. Add mint followed by cucumber followed by water and keep it aside for 2 hours. Beetroot detox drink. For that add 2-3 slices of beetroot into water and keep it aside. Beetroot is very good for health. Beetroot lemon detox drink. For that add beetroot followed by lemon followed by water and keep it aside. Beetroot lemon cucumber drink. Add beetroot lemon followed by cucumber, add water and keep it aside for 2 hours. Beetroot lemon ginger detox drink. Add beetroot lemon cucumber and ginger and keep it aside for 2 hours.